Why lock apps on your phone?
The previous user adds an extra layer of security to your Android or iPhone. It protects your private messages, banking apps, even if someone knows your device password. Locked apps require an additional code or authentication. This simple step can help protect your data from prying eyes, lost devices, or accidental snooping.
Popular privacy apps for Android.
For Android users, privacy apps like AppLock, Norton App Lock, and Smart App Lock are easy to use. Install your chosen app from the Google Play Store, grant the permissions it requests, and set a strong password or pattern. You can then select which apps you want to protect, ensuring only you can open them on your device.
Locking apps on iPhone, your options.
On iPhone, direct app locking with third-party apps isn't supported like on Android. Instead, use the built-in Screen Time feature. Go to Settings, then Screen Time, select App Limits, and set a passcode and time limit for sensitive apps. When the limit is reached, access requires your Screen Time passcode, adding a layer of protection.
Tips for maximum app security.
Choose a unique password for your app lock different from your device unlock code. Change it regularly and don't share it with others. Enable biometric options like fingerprint or Face ID where available for added convenience and security. Regularly update both your privacy app and phone software to close any potential security gaps.
Staying secure. Final thoughts.
Locking apps with a password is a quick and effective way to safeguard personal data on your mobile device. Whether you use Android or iPhone, taking a few minutes to set up these protections can prevent unwanted access. Combine app locks with other good security habits for the strongest defense of your privacy.